How you doing today? I'm gonna show you how to replace the window motor on a Dodge Stratus. I think this is the third gen, 2001 to 2006. This is kind of tedious, so if you're a brand new beginner, I will tell you now. I mean, you could do it. It's definitely going to be aggravating, but you can do it. You can really do anything, but definitely going to be aggravating. So just be patient. Give yourself some time. There's no rush. I'm going to give you step-by-step instructions, and you can get it knocked out. Let's get to it. So firstly, there's going to be two bolts, one right here and one in the door. I use a pick to get them out. Two Phillips screws. There's going to be two screws underneath. Apparently these ones are missing. And with the two screws out, then we're just going to get up under the door and pop it out. Now use this to get started, but once you get some gap where you can put your finger under there, it's just gonna pull out. The door panel just pulls out. So all we're gonna do, pop it this way and pull this up. Use it down. Next, we got to get behind this cover. I'm going to use a razor blade to cut this glue. That way I won't destroy it. Now, you want to get that undone. The way I do that. Alright. We're gonna take this out because there's two 8mm bolts inside. That's one of the bolts, and there's the second bolt. But before we get to the bolts, we're gonna take all three of these out. Alright, these bolts are T30s. Again, these bolts are T30s. Once you take the bolts out, you're able to move the motor. I'm in here to get that first bolt. I'm gonna go into here. There's the second bolt. Here's a tip. Put a piece of tape on the bolt. When you put it over the screw, it'll lock it in and you won't drop the screw. All right. What we're doing now, we're gonna pull this off and we're gonna pull that off. We're gonna get all three of these out so that this module can come out. All right. So there is a plug, it's right here. Push the pin with the left hand, turn the screwdriver with the right, and the plug will come straight up. Very easy. All right, that's it. I just showed you how to take it apart. I'm not going to show you how to put it together. Basically, when you put it back together, just put it together the way you took it apart. So I gave you the tricks of the trade, using the pliers to take the little clip off, because it can be difficult and you wouldn't want to break it. The safest way to do it is using the pliers that I showed you. Taking the plugs off, as I told you, using the screwdriver, flat screwdriver, putting it up under the plug and twisting it. That helps. This is stuff I do very often, and any kind of shortcut would definitely speed up the job and make the job a lot easier. But again, thanks for watching. I know I'm not really consistent on uploading. Maybe I will more. That's my plan because I've been moving more and more cars. So basically, what I do is I started a rental car company. Um, maybe I should make a video on. Well, maybe I should make a video on how I did it all. But basically, I buy cars for cheap. I fix them and I sell them. But basically, I rent them out. If they have low mileage on it, everything great with them, I rent them out. And after a certain amount of years, I lease them out. So basically, people can make payments on them until they own them. After I've rented them out for a certain amount of years, it's a great business. It gives me passive income. Of course, you got to work up front, but after the work is done, then it makes money for years to come. But thanks again for watching. If anybody interested in that, maybe I'll make videos on my journey. I mean, I don't really get that many views on my videos, but whatever. All right, thanks again for watching. Bye.